All right, so I've been waiting for this moment. It's like 2 weeks now. So I want to trade with you. So let's go to Euro USD. I got a signal. So let's choose. All right, now we choose the 1 minute candlestick chart. We choose the Japanese candlesticks, as you can see, and also we choose the indicators. The first one must be the Bollinger Bands. All right, right, BB, this one, Bollinger Bands. The period should be a 10. As usual, I use the period of 10, and the second indicator, let's choose, I have 4 indicators that I like. Let's choose this one, MACD. That's what I stick to. MACD, the moving average. The fast period should be 15, and the slow period should be 20. All right, let's click apply. The third indicator should be SAR, the parabolic SAR. Let's put 0.22. The acceleration should be 0.22, and the last one should be RSI. Yeah, the relative strength index, RSI. The baseline period should be 20. The overbought should be 75, and oversold 25. Amazing. So yeah, those are the indicators that I use on my strategy. I will wait for the signal to come, and I will come back later. Amazing. So welcome back, guys. So I will try to turn this $10 into more than $2,000 or $4,000 perhaps. I got a good signal. So the first one should be a long position. So I opened this long position using this $10, this $100, sorry, and I will try to keep doubling it until I reach my goal and until the end of this signal. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using here, guys, I invite you to take our course. The course is in the description below. In the course, I will teach you plenty of stuff. I will teach you everything I learned over the years about binary option trading. Hopefully you will master the strategy and you will start making some profitable trades. Remember, this will take you a long time. You need a lot of dedication in order to master the strategy. So yeah, so the first win. Yep, the first win. All right, so let's keep it $100. Let's keep trading with. All right, let's keep trading with $100. Yeah. All right, the next trade. Sorry. So if for my students understand what I'm doing here, I got a signal with like 9 or 10 or 12 candles that I can predict exactly the colors and the size of the candles, and I can open trades at the beginning of the period of time. So for example, here I'm opening at the 0 level, and I'm opening a long position, predicting that this one is going to be a green candle. And as you can see, really, this one was a green candle. Right now we are at $200. Yeah. Sometimes I use moving averages. Yeah, I like to use EMA, exponential moving averages, but in this case, so let me put $200. In this case, I'm not using a moving average. So from here, as you can see, the market touched the middle band of the Bollinger Bands. As you can see, the parabolic SAR is trying to change position. Yeah, the MACD is indicating that we should have a smaller or a red candle. Yeah, the market won't go over that level. And yeah, that's it. Sorry for the noise. All right, let's take this win. Yep, $172. Now we are at $400 already. Yeah, I don't like to trade with more than $400. I like to stick with $400 a month maximum. I will try with, yeah, so let's put 300 now. Let's put 300 and let me trade with 300. The next candle, look what's happening with the SA, the parabolic SAR here. This indicates that the candle will flip and will go up, and that's what I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the candle to stay there, or hopefully it will go up, and I'm making $258. Yeah, $258. My students understand what's happening with the parabolic SAR. All right, the parabolic SAR is indicating that we should have a long position. Yep, $258. Now we are sitting at $700. We already reached $700. Let's trade with 400 now. Let's open with 300, and yeah, the next trade I will open with $400. All right, now this one is going to go down. Look, the market is trying, and the sellers are stronger. Yeah, the sellers are stronger. The market is trying to go up, but I don't believe it will go up. It's going down. The parabolics are changed position. The Bollinger Bands is making a support level. Yeah, the RSI is indicating that we should have a downtrend, and as predicted, hopefully I hope that we will have a red candle. Wait a minute. Yep, great. This is perfect. This is okay. So now let's see. We are at $900. Yeah, we are at $900. Yeah, we should keep trading $300. This one is going down also. I want to see a red candle. That's why I'm sticking with $300. If we have a red candle, yeah. So as you can see, the market is going down. The big trend is a downtrend. The parabolic SAR, I'm changing the values and the parameters of my parabolic SAR. Usually I don't trade with these values, but that's okay. Today I thought that this one is changing because there's some change with the market. I'm not usually using MACD, but in this case, since I used, yep, another win. All right, so let's see. Now let's trade with yep. Let's trade $400. Let's put $400. I guess that's it. I will not trade with more than $400. This one is going down because I'm sure about it, and I will not trade with more than $400. I will stick with $400, and that's it. As you can see, 86% profit, meaning $344. That's great. That's amazing. Yeah. That's what I'm waiting for. All right. Another win. Another win, but unfortunately we had a green candle. I was waiting for a red one, but yeah, this is making it a little bit harder, but that's okay. We have more than $1,500. Now this one, since we had our green candle, previously we had a green candle, this means that we should see another green candle here. Nothing happening with the SAR. I want you to be familiar with the indicators. I want you to master the indicators. I want you to feel the indicators. I want you to be familiar with the indicators, know what's happening. Once you master a couple of indicators, you master our strategy, I mean, this will be easy for you. It will be fast. At first, you will be able to trade once a day, twice, perhaps 4 times a day. But with time, you can be, trading easily and perhaps making some profit. What I advise you to do is never lose trades, never lose money, because the thing is not about winning, the thing is about not losing. So you need to keep in your mind to never lose money. So always try to make money. Even if you are not making money, that's okay, because you are not losing money. So avoid losing money. That's my advice to you. And by the way, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. I'm making these videos for entertainment purposes only. This is not a financial advice. I want you to keep that in your mind. This is not what you are going. I'm not telling you that you are going to make this amount of money. This is a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options, and I want you to understand that. Yeah, we are at over $2,200. Great. So see, in few minutes we reached $2,200. But remember, I'm not making this amount of money every day. I just want, with binary option, I'm not talking about cryptos, trading cryptos. I'm talking about binary options. Sometimes I make this amount in one day. Sometimes I make it in one week. Sometimes in 1 month. Sometimes I don't have a signal over 1 month or 2. That's why you need to be patient with the binary options. But trust me, it's profitable. Binary option is profitable since it's easy to double your money, but at the same time it's easy to lose your money. And that's why I tell you to keep an eye on your money. Yeah, great. And try never to lose money. Great. Let's go down this time. Even this one shouldn't be going down. Yeah. As you can see, MACD is telling me that this one should be go up, but I have a feeling that this one is going down. This one is going down. So see, MACD is trying to tell me that this should be green candle, sorry, but I'm saying that no, I'm expecting red candle. The previous one wasn't red, so I'm expecting, I'm expecting a red candle. Great, look. A red candle, beautiful. This is happening. This is really happening. Yep, amazing. $344, just as expected. Great, right? All right, the next one. So let's keep trading with $400. Let's see. Yeah, we still believe that this one, MACD, is still indicating that we will have a green candle. That's why I don't trust MACD too much. I trust my strategy, and that's what I advise you to do. Trust yourself, trust your strategy, and be ready to go against the indicators, because this may happen sometimes. So another red candle, just as I predicted, not as the MACD indicated or signaled. Yeah, I believe we still have like 4 other candles to trade. Yeah, this one should be going down. It's clear, because look at the middle band of the Bollinger Bands. RSI is indicating that we may see, that's not 100% sure, but with RSI is indicating that we may see a reversal, a trend reversal, but that's not what I believe. That's not what I believe. MACD here also indicating a green candle. This may happen. A green candle may take place here, but let me see. Just let's see. Even with the red candle, I believe that even with the green candle, we are winning. Look, that's what I expected. A green candle, but at the same time, I won a lower position and short position. That's great, because I opened higher. That's what you need to do. Minimize your risk by opening high and giving yourself space. All right, giving this one is clearly a green candle. It's clear. Now the market is trying to break the resistance and going over. Look, a larger green candle. The wick will be a little bit stronger, but yeah, a green candle. The market will try to reach the upper band of the Bollinger Bands. Now the parabolic RSI is having a hard time, but this is indicating, yeah, look, the wick was a little bit taller and amazing, just as expected. A green candle, the wick is a strong one and a longer one, and yeah, we are at almost $4,000. Great, great, great. Now let's see, am I winning? Great. Yeah, this one is going down, and I guess this one is going to be the last trade. I guess the last trade. Or let's see what's happening here. Let's see the size of the red candle, and yeah, I will tell you what will be happening after this. Don't worry. We are reaching $4,000 here. From this trade, we are reaching $4,000. Let's see. Boom, beautiful. $4,300. Let's see if I'm able to trade. Yeah, I guess we still have one trade to take. This one, the next candle should be red, and I guess that's it. I guess this is the last trade. Yeah, I had good amount of money. We start with $100. Now we are almost at $4,000. Yeah, great, great, great. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Yeah, I will try to upload more videos, but I don't have enough time. Yeah, I'll try to do my best. Yeah, another winning trade, and that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, see you later, guys.